Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Kraken wallet address. So first thing that you should be doing here is we first have to find out how do we actually find our Kraken wallet address. Well, this one is pretty simple. So with Kraken, they actually have a support page here which support kraken.com, and from here you will be able to see different articles that you might want to obviously read through it if you want to. Now in this case it's going to have an article here that says how to generate a depositing address. So there is the address that we will be using to basically receive crypto into our account. So in this article it's going to ask us to navigate to our portfolio, click on deposit, and we also have to choose the currency that you wish to deposit, and from here you just need to click on it and choose the network that you want to proceed with the transfer, and from there you will be able to generate your code or QR code here. Now in this case you could go ahead and read further into this, but in the Kraken account here at kraken.com you want to go to the transfer tab here, and from here at the deposit section you should have the option to choose the crypto as well as choosing the network, and from there once you fill out all the details you will be able to view your QR code or your wallet address to receive a crypto. Now in this case, for you to generate your code you first have to complete the verification process on Kraken. So if you haven't completed it, just click on the get verified button here, and from here you just need to follow these steps to get you verified. So that includes your a bit of personal information about yourself, that includes your legal name, date of birth, address, postal code, your phone number, as well as a simple ID that you could provide here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.